The next thing we're going to try to do is we're going to try to build the last 4 centers while still preserving the first 3 edges that we made. What I'm going to show you is a method called the half center method, and what we're going to do is we're going to get 3 half centers on the left hand side so we can continuously just use our right hand and U moves and maybe some middle slices to finish off the rest of the cube. Notice I already have a blue made. This one is almost made, so maybe I'll take advantage of that later. So I'm going to move the red one down. Now I'm going to have to build an orange one on top. Now notice there's already an orange one there. This one was on top. This one's not on top. Make sure this is ready to go. So we have 3 half centers made. We have an orange, a blue, and a red. Put the middle one on the bottom, and we're going to finish the middle one off first. Notice we have a blue right here. Now I know there can't be a blue on this side of the cube because I've already built a red half center back here. So take a look, there's my other blue. So I'm going to already recognize that there's probably a blue back here or on the bottom. I'm going to do a wide arm move. I'm identifying that's right there. Put it on this side. So now when I move the right hand side, it's not being moved. I already remembered there was a blue down here, so I might as well put this into position, connect them. And now we're going to build the orange one next. So my suggestion here is put the blue one here, put the orange on top. Now think about this. We don't know what's on the bottom and we don't know what's on the back right now. But if we do this, we now know what was on the bottom and we don't know what was on the back. But if you don't see an orange down here, what do we know? We know it has to be down here. So since I noticed the orange is right there, I'm going to connect these ones. The blue is on the bottom, so I'm going to lead with the blue and follow with the orange. I'm going to do a wide arm move and finish off these last 2 centers. This was orange, this is green. That's how I like to do last 2 centers. I just try to pair up the last bar and put it together. Just remember, keep that guy right there and open so you can only use R moves and what? U moves. Makes it a lot easier. There's a lot less motion and there's a lot less things you can mess up. Let's take a look at another example solve. I was just solving the cube very slowly and got to this point. This is a very, very easy example of half centers because notice we have a half center, and another half center. I really wish I was kind of timing myself for this one. The blue should come before the orange. Notice I had to pull this down so I could use it. And the green should come after the orange. Once again, I'm going to put the middle half center on the bottom, but I'm going to remember that it already has an orange with it. So I'm already knowing that my 2 oranges are right here, and I'm going to be making my green next. Make my orange, put it over here, but remember I just pushed my green up. So when I put this fella up here, my green is now on the bottom. So since I know my green's on the bottom, I might as well get a visual cue of it by moving it this way first. And I see they will pair when I go up. I need to lead with orange. Since orange is on the bottom, I need to lead with it and follow it up with the green. Then I can now look at these ones. This was green, so this needs to be red. This red one is on the bottom, so I will move this red one to the bottom, connect them, and pair. Half centers is a lot easier